In this video, you'll learn how to use a vanilla Visa gift card on eBay. This process involves preparing your gift card, adding it as a payment method, and completing your purchase. By following these steps, you will be able to shop seamlessly on eBay using your gift card. Start by preparing your vanilla Visa gift card. It is essential to check the balance before attempting any purchases. Make sure the card is activated and valid for use. Keep the card number, expiration date, and CVV code readily available. Logging into your eBay account is the next step. After you log in, add the desired items to your cart. Understanding the available balance on your gift card is crucial, as it prevents any declined transactions during checkout. Next, proceed to the checkout page. When prompted for your payment method, select the option for credit or debit card. You will then need to enter the details from your vanilla Visa gift card. This includes the card number, expiration date, and security code. It is important to confirm that your billing address matches the one associated with the card registration. Additionally, ensure that the total purchase amount does not exceed the balance on your card. Accurate entry of these details will facilitate successful payment processing. After entering your card information, review your order summary carefully. Confirm that all details are correct before proceeding to payment. If your total purchase exceeds the balance available on the gift card, consider splitting the payment with another payment method, such as a credit card or PayPal. Once you are satisfied with the order details, complete the transaction. You should then wait for confirmation emails from eBay to verify that your order has been successfully placed. It is advisable to keep the vanilla Visa gift card even after completing your purchase until the balance reaches zero. Monitoring your balance can help prevent any failed payments in the future. Using the card responsibly will assist in managing your spending effectively. This approach ensures a smoother shopping experience on eBay. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.